they clubbing, they chilling, they...
Pastor, why are you looking like you've lost a dear one? Huh? Pastor, I overheard people saying you have A's and that your wife has left you as a result. Is it true? So you two, they put the thing inside small, eh? Hey! Pastor, it will be bad, oh. Anyway, you see, today may be your last day on this earth. Let me give you this now. We'll use it for your funeral poster, right? Take a look at me. Look at me. Nothing spoiled, huh? Nothing spoiled. Oh. You see? Every day you come to my house. You worry me, you pester me, you worry me to go to church. What did I tell you? I told you God doesn't like certain people. You see some people riding in big cars, having big mansions, living luxurious life. But you are staying in passenger house. Passenger house, and you have A's. You see, God doesn't mind you. He doesn't. You see, if not, God... Okay. Pastor! They put the things as small. It serves you right. I'm coming. I'll see you later.
Casey, darling, I was just wasting my time on that useless barber.
Look, that boy is history. Don't let us talk about him. I'm going to take you to levels that he can never imagine.
You mean high class?
We're gonna go on a high deck.
I love you so much, Casey. You everything to me.
Oh, that's good.
I love you so much. You mean everything to me.
That's good. All right, I'll be right back, okay?
Oh, hold it. I'll be waiting.
Okay. Well, she's a nice girl, isn't she? But somebody gave it to me and I must pass it on. You know, a king does not travel alone. Beware. You are my next victim.
I cannot marry him again. Pastor Philip has really betrayed me.
I can't believe this. Pastor Philip tested HIV positive. This is strange.
Don't be surprised. Whatever a man does in the dark will definitely come to light. I've left him. I'm living with my parents now.
Stranger enough, he sent a letter that he was traveling to his hometown.
He has not gone anywhere. He's in town. You go to his residence. He's there.
Let's go to his residence to find out.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
Sonny, are you sure you did this song?
Come on, Bernice. You don't believe me, huh?
I do believe you, but this is beyond what I expected.
Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet. I have about 41 trillion songs in the basket.
You don't mean it.
It's true.
Your song is nice. I shall go with you to see my uncle, the MP. I will impress upon him to be your producer.
Wow, that is great.
I want you to promise me one thing.
Uh-huh.
That you will not give him any sign to suspect there's something going on between us.
Why? Why you want me to pretend before your so-called uncle? Or do you have something to hide?
No. I just want him to help you. Or don't you need his help?
I do, but sometimes your demand of this condition baffles me.
No. I just want him to help you with family ties in mind, okay?
All right. When are we going?
Very soon. I'll just have to book an appointment with him.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. Mwah.
Your song is nice.
No, really?
I'm surprised.
Yeah, I'm going to give you more. It's ciao. So don't worry, okay? You, my wife. Mwah. So it's going to happen again tonight.
Yeah.
Okay.
The song is so nice. I'm surprised. So much surprised.
Oh, yeah?
Wait, wait for me, I'm coming. Okay.
Hello. My service. Hey, baby. Hello.
Hey.
You need my services.
What the fuck are you doing? Huh? If I needed your service, I would have come to you. Come on, get the fuck out. Hey, what's up? What's up, lady? Do you charge for the big and the slim the same price?
Yes.
Eh? Then I need a big lady, eh? I need a big lady, girl.
Hey, roast my day. Roll.
Can you turn again? So,
Hey, that's our girl.
let's go, girl.
Hi, Rose. Bye-bye, Rosie. Hey, kiss me.
Whoa. Whoa. Hey, stop, please. I beg you, stop. Let's pass here.
Bicycle. Bicycle, okay. Come on, bicycle. Hey! What do you have now? Madam. Hey, bicycle. How come? Let's go. Paparazzi! Paparazzi! Come.
Tina lady. Hey, what's up? Cool, ladies. What can I do for you?
How much would you charge to cover a funeral for 2 days? I have my own film.
2 days, 15 cities, 15,000 cities, excuse me.
15?
Yep.
Look, we'll give you 10,000 cities.
Hey, Nana, you want to collapse my business? Huh? Look, the best I can do for you ladies are 12,000 cities per fair.
Okay. It's cool, it's a deal. It's next week, okay? So you have to come, I'll take you to my hometown.
Okay, that's great, that's it. That'll be powerful.
Okay.
See ya.
See ya.
Tina.
Yeah?
Wait. Have you people see Pastor Philip around?
No, I haven't.
I saw him last week. He looks so dejected.
Why?
His wife has left him.
Why?
He has AIDS. He's HIV positive.
AIDS. Oh my God. Well, look, don't be surprised, okay? Those who call themselves men of God these days are more than the devil himself.
Point of correction. Some of them.
Most of them.
But are you sure HIV positive?
Yeah.
Does it mean that he also plays around under the cover of the Bible?
That is a lesson to you ladies. You people should make sure you don't catch the dreadful disease.
Hey, we are not the pastor. Okay. All right.
Beware.
Bye.
See you next week.
You girls have really let me down. You've not brought me any money. Not even a pasiwa. Huh. What is wrong with you girls, for God's sake? And don't you look at me, you fool! You know what? I am going to lead you myself. And each one of you is going to lose 40% out of every money that you people make. Teacher, make you put on the music now. Put on the music.
What? It's your birthday.
Pastor Philip, the church has decided to expel you from the church for bringing disgrace upon yourself and the church. You are to return anything belonging to the church that you have in your possession. A man of God does not go about sleeping with harlots.
Yes.
Elders, I want you to believe me. I have never slept with any woman apart from my wife.
Then how come that you are infected and your wife is not? You took the advantage of your wife's sickness and misbehaved. The church has nothing to do with you again.
I summoned this meeting to tell you the latest information I have gathered about AIDS. AIDS is communicable. So I don't want any one of you to touch anything the pastor touches. We have to be very careful about his steps. Otherwise, he could infect us with the least opportunity. As a matter of fact, Dede, I am even planning to eject him outright.
Fokojo, you don't get AIDS by touching people who have got AIDS. It's not like that.
Look at this woman. What do you know about AIDS? What do you know? I am talking about the latest information which says that AIDS is communicable. And you sit here talking blaga. What do you know about it?
What about the money he pays you?
Look, you buy me this disinfectant, I will disinfect it and then we can use it. So, I'm telling you about the latest. It is communicable. Avoid it. Miss Leah. Philip, what the hell are you doing? What are you doing? I'm cleaning my teeth. Come on.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.
Bravo yen to boisier. Tide wo ye bia no nyabotre. Kokosa jifa wodi me panyin tre. Ade wo ho be da no hwe wo bi ho abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso ginya me de se bi bia wo ne mre. Ye jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi kome kokodwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo pante ade. Ye de se wo gina ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo ho ye na go no be che wo krachi. Baba so kra man wo so we ni ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow.